Anytime you're casting any of these glide baits and things like that, when you're casting, covering water is very slow. It takes a lot of time. So one thing I like to do in advance before I fish a spot, especially if it's a new area, is use my electronics to really help me understand what's really going on down there. I like to have a good lake chip set up on one side so I have a basic idea on how the structure lays out. And the next thing, I like to have my two-dimensional sonar right side by side with it so I know the depth. What really tells me what's really going on down there is structure scan, and especially side scan. I want to drive up and down the sides of these humps, and what I want to do is a waypoint where those bigger boulder piles are, where that bigger rock is, say on a hump or if it's a point, because when we're casting I want to be able to turn around and position the boat so I can cast to those key areas. And one thing I really like to do when I'm casting, especially on big bodies of water like this, like the Great Lakes here, is generally you have a lot of wind and you're going to have a lot of waves. And whenever you have a big bow on your line, you lose a lot of that control and a lot of that feel. So what I like to do is always position my boat on the upwind side of the structure that I'm fishing, and usually cast right out the back of the boat if there's a lot of wind. So I'm casting right downstream with the wind, so my line is very straight. I don't have that huge bow that's created in my line, so I have a lot of good feel. And that way when I do get a fish hooked up, my boat's not drifting over top of the fish when I'm trying to get them in.